Hello, welcome to our tutorial on how to edit a previous result or a result from a previous term. That means you're already in a new term and you want to go back and edit a previous result. Note that this feature does not contain if the child did not partake in the result. So if the child was not part of the result at all, this does not work. We're going to find a different method of doing if a student did not partake in the result at all or missed a particular subject. So this tutorial are for students that had a different score. Instead of giving them 5, you gave them 3, or instead of giving them 15, you gave them 10. So you go to statistics, then click on performance. So once you click on performance, downwards, we've logged in as an admin, you will be able to select the particular section or the term you want to edit the result for. So once you edit the result for 2025-2026 section, then you select the term and you click on get performance. Once you click on get performance, it brings out the list of classes that has results for that particular term, whether it's second term or first term. So let's assume that once edit a result in the child in grade 4, I click on the view grade 4 button. That's this button. It takes me to all the subjects that grade 4 made. So let us assume that this subject that friend had 3 subjects. I can now click on edit. Edit means you want to edit the subject, that French subject in that particular class for that particular child. So it now shows you all the scores, and for someone that has a pretty low score. Okay, let's say out of 20 you want to give Alex Emmanuel 16. You can type 16 and you now click on submit. So once you submit, it replaces the 6 at the top. You can see it's back to 6. Then you can now go back to your results and you regenerate. You remember, you must regenerate. Regenerating means let the system recalculate the previous result and it does the resumming. For the grade 4, you click on this green button to regenerate and you click OK. Then the results will be regenerated. Then the scores will be adjusted to the new score. So you know how you can edit whichever result for any term. First term, second term, any section, you can go in and edit the results. Remember too, that means the child wrote the exam. There was a score for that particular exam. You are just adjusting the score. All right, thank you very much for your time.